Hey everyone! So today I'm going to be doing a presentation on inquiry-based learning. Inquiry-based learning, sometimes referred to as IBL, is a theory that requires individuals to learn by investigating and learning through social scenarios. It goes in the order of ask, investigate, create, discuss, and reflect. In the ask section, a problem is presented, or a question, and students can begin to define. Investigate ignites curiosity amongst the students, in which they begin to search for answers. Create. Ideas begin to form and connections between question and answer are made. Students then discuss, begin sharing their ideas, hearing others' reports, as well as creating new questions. Then students reflect, they look back on the initial question, did they answer it, and they begin forming new questions. The cycle repeats until it comes to an end and all the questions have been answered. Principles of inquiry-based learning. Principle 1. Learners are in the center. The instructor's resources and technology are there to support the process, but the students should be asking their own questions, finding solutions, and then asking more questions and working with their team or by themselves to find the answers. Principle 2. All learning activities revolve around information processing skills. Information processing is a theory of its own, but inquiry-based learning relies on this process for the students to ask questions and find answers. Principle 3. Instructors facilitate the learning process. They learn more about their students in the process of inquiry-based learning as time goes on. The teachers are there to present the questions and give a timeline of what the students should be doing, but the students should be doing it on their own or in their groups. Principle 4. Importance on evaluating the development of the information processing skills and conceptual understanding. Progress should not be graded on the actual content of the field alone. The students should feel free to ask whatever questions and find whatever answers. They should not be worrying and looking for one specific answer because there is not necessarily one specific answer for the question. This allows students to have curiosity and have unique answers and find out what works best for them in inquiry-based learning. Advantages. Students can create new ideas. They can think out of the box, they can learn how to ask questions, and problem-solving skills are put to work. I think that inquiry-based learning is so important because it allows students to ask questions without feeling silly or worried about what others may think. It also allows them to think outside of the box, to think about things that maybe normally wouldn't be brought up in a classroom setting, but when inquiry-based learning is going on, the students feel free to make different connections than they might have before. How can I use this theory in the field of public relations and advertising? I can use this theory to engage my team, build up each individual, and learn about how each individual responds to different types of projects. This will allow my team to be able to use this theory to stem learning and create their own ideas. This will also entice them to keep learning when I'm building up my team as time goes on. And then I can understand the best way to use them for team projects, what their strengths and weaknesses are. Inquiry-based learning is a model that many use on a daily basis, whether they realize it or not. This helps to keep curiosity flowing at all ages. It provides a way to ask questions and seek answers, and presents information in a fun and unique way. By asking questions, thinking of ideas and solutions, and finding answers, we are able to use this model to learn about problems in the world and how we can attempt to solve them.